So now in this lecture we are going to study about the data analytics tool in Excel. So as we going to use the sales data, as we already opened this file. So for the data analytics tool in Excel, we can actually find that function here, this analyzation section, and that's the name of data analytics actually here. Basically, if you go into this data tab and if you don't find this option here, so you just need to go into the file option and go into the options. Here you can see the options. Once I click on it, here is a dialog box open, and you just need to go into the adds in. Once you click adds in, so here is the name of analyze tool pack VBA. If it click on it, so you just move your option into this, or you also click here Excel adds in. Once you click Excel adds in, click on go. So it's already actually selected this analysis tool pack VBA. So if it check on this or other options, so you just need to click on this analysis tool pack VBA and click OK. So once you move your cursor or refresh your Excel through this, like if you here you go and refresh your overall Excel sheet, and comes in this section, so here you can find your analysis section here. So basically this is the tool which we are going to use in this lecture. So in this lecture, so this is the option you can find on this position. So in the coming lectures we are going to use this tool in Excel. Thank you.